Okay, so now we just gotta wait, and there's no money in there. Y'all can see. Okay, we got that dollar.
Oh my god! Oh my gosh! What? So now we'll be able to win, just from the standpoint of we actually got into maintenance mode. There it goes. Got it.
Hey, we got it.
There it is.
Yo, what's up everyone? Welcome back to a brand new video. Hope everyone's having a great day. Today, I'm here with Claw Kicker at one of his arcades.
So today we're gonna be testing viral TikTok hacks.
To see if they work.
And see if they work. TikTok's an app where you, I'm not gonna explain it. They probably know it. We're gonna go in, and I actually am just really curious to see if when we do the TikTok hack,
See if they work.
see if it works. Second of all, I'm gonna go in and show you guys why the TikTok hack would and could never work.
Why they're all fake. And you guys know I did a TikTok hack a couple weeks ago where I went to one of my vending machines and we tested out hacks, and most of them didn't work. So I was like, you know what? Aaron has an arcade, so we're gonna be testing out some TikTok hacks to see if they actually work.
The people on TikTok, they don't own the machines.
Yeah, that's
they
true.
They literally just
that's so true.
BS these videos. I am just so ready to show them why these won't work.
You're about to bust everyone.
I'm about to bust some.
So yeah, anyways, hope you guys enjoyed the video. If y'all do, drop a like, subscribe if you haven't already. Go subscribe to this channel if you're not already. But anyways, let's go inside and let's test out these hacks.
Let's do it.
Alright guys, so before we go inside, I'm gonna go on TikTok and I guess I just type in like arcade
hack.
Arcade
claw machine
hacks.
hack maybe?
Or claw machine?
Claw machine hack. Because that's mainly what's in here.
Yeah.
Claw machines. Can you spell claw machine?
I got it. Yeah, so there we go. Right off the bat, of course, we have a bunch of hacks.
Dang, there's more videos on there than I have subscribers.
Yeah, there's a bunch of videos out there. So this one has 1.4 million likes. That's more than like my views and his views combined.
Daddy, chill.
You want to come to the claw machine, you're going to want to move the joystick up 2 times, down 2 times, left, right, and then you're going to hold the drop button for at least 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so that's at least 5 seconds. And then what you're going to do now is put your coins in like you're playing. So put your coins in. Put your coins in. And then what you want to do is just go for anything you want. I want this little pineapple right here, so we're going to go for that. And then once you line it up, what you want to do now, this is the most important part. You want to hold this drop button the entire time. So ready? Just keep holding it, keep holding it, keep holding the drop button, keep holding it, keep holding it, keep holding it. And there we go, guys. I just got 2 of them.
Wow, okay, so
Alright, that's technical.
that one's pretty hard. He did a bunch of stuff, but
Oh, wait, we gotta show him something. The video that he filmed that machine on, I have the same exact one in my arcade.
Yes.
It's the same machine.
we got the exact same machine, so we're gonna see, like, if it works, then, you know, better off having the same machine.
Right.
What?
So again, this one was pretty complicated. Basically what he did, he went, I forgot.
So we're just gonna try to go with it as he does the hack.
Alright guys, so of course, before we actually test it, you know, there's obviously no money in the machine. I'm pressing the drop button.
It doesn't move.
The claw doesn't move.
The claw's not moving.
Okay, so I'm gonna show you the video and just do it as he goes,
Okay,
alright?
so we can't put our money in yet. We gotta do it before we put the money in.
Alright, here we
Okay,
go.
Here we go.
You want to come to the claw machine, you're going to want to move the joystick up 2 times, down 2 times, left, right, left.
Oh wait, I messed up. I messed up. Ah,
Come
no,
on.
okay.
You're going to want to move the joystick up 2 times, down 2 times, left, right, and then you want to hold the drop button.
Hold it for 5 seconds.
1, 2,
3, 4, 5.
Okay, got it.
Now put the money in.
Way to go! Way to go! So now we gotta
That was
hold the
on.
button and we gotta hold on to it. Okay,
Yeah.
ready? This is like, we're not gonna stage anything here. Trust me.
No cuts, here we go.
No cuts, here we go. Ready? Holding it, holding it.
Does it work? Oh,
No.
Wait, that could have worked
It
though.
could've, wait.
It just wasn't aligned.
Let's try it one more time.
Up 2 times, down 2 times.
And then you put the money in.
Put the money in.
Way to go! Way to go!
Okay, here we go. Oh, let's see. I'm thinking we're gonna go for this box again here. Or should we go for a stuffed animal? Okay, right now we're gonna hold this button down. We can't let go of it once we press it. Here we go. Ooh.
And is it get down?
Ooh! No, there's no way.
Yeah.
See, and I held the button the whole time. I'm
did.
still holding it. There's no way.
No, if it would have worked, it wouldn't have dropped.
And I'm gonna be honest with you. Let's open it up. And let's see why this didn't work. Here's the inside of the claw machine right here. You got your dollar bill acceptor, coin mech. The wires for the joystick and everything are up underneath here. You can't really see it.
The board,
it
right?
has nothing to do with anything up there. Absolutely nothing. I can sit here and go in circles all day and press this, and it won't do a dang thing.
Yeah, so there you guys go. That's the reason why this hack doesn't work, because it's not connected together. So yeah, hack number 1, complete bust. It didn't work, so now let's go on to the next one. Okay, so I got another one right here. It's got almost 100,000 likes, so it's pretty good. Let's check it out.
Yep, let's see it.
You guys, I'm gonna show you a claw machine hack that actually works. One, two, and then hold on to this button. 1, 2, 3. Look at this.
I'm gonna
Okay.
roast the heck out of this guy right now. I'm gonna roast this guy so bad and tell you why this won't work.
I don't know if this one is like meant to be a joke or something, but like there's just no way.
There's no way.
But I mean, I guess let's try it out. So basically, what this guy did is he moved the joystick up 2 times, down 2 times, and then pressed the button for 3 seconds. Which, by the way, for some reason, why does every single hack have to do with the joystick? I mean, I guess
My favorite ones are where the people press the lock.
Yes, I've
It's
seen
like,
those.
yo fam, are you dumb?
Like, guys, I've seen a few hacks where people tell you to press this button, which it's not a button, it's the lock of the machine.
So stop.
All right, guys, so here we go. I'm gonna play the video again, and you're gonna try it out, okay?
Yep.
Here we go. Okay, so up 2, down 2, and then hold down for 3
1,
seconds.
2,
1,
3.
2, 3, and then the door should open. No!
What?
Wow!
That
It
is
actually worked.
that is total.
What?
What?
All right, guys. Obviously, obviously, we're just playing. This hack actually doesn't work.
No, it doesn't work at
I mean,
all.
if you're dumb enough to believe that this hack works, I don't know what to tell you. Like, the lock is right there.
Okay.
Pressing buttons.
Y'all, do you see any wires even go into this thing? Like, there's no way this is gonna work. And I almost feel like
that you
there's no way this lock is gonna turn unless you have the key.
Yeah.
Chances are the guy that filmed this knows the guy at the arcade and says, "Hey man, I'll plug your logo or arcade in the description down below.
Yeah.
Can you just unlock the machine and let me open it really quick?"
Yeah. So there you guys go. Hack number 2, complete buzz. We haven't been successful so far. All right, guys. So now time for hack number 3. Let's find another one and let's see if we can find one that actually works. So here we go. Let's watch one. Okay, so this one has 249,000 likes and it's for a keymaster, which you actually have.
Yeah, I have one right in here.
Yo, you guys, I'm gonna show you the coolest Keymaster hack that works every single time. You know why it works? Because the vendor uses this to see if the machine is working properly and in order, okay? So my girlfriend's gonna grab the phone and I'm gonna show you guys what you have to do, okay? So come over here. You have to move the joystick 2 times to the left, okay? 1, 2, and then go right 2 times. 1, 2, and then hold on to this button for 2 seconds. This is the most important part, okay? 1, 2. Now, the machine is in maintenance mode right now. Like I said, the vendor uses this to test out the machine, but it only works for the bottom row, okay? So look at this. You can pick.
And he got it. He actually got it. Okay, so this one, I'm not gonna lie, it looks kind of real. It's kind of similar to the other one we did. So he went left 2 times, right 2 times, and he pressed the button for 2 seconds, and apparently that works. He said apparently that gets you into maintenance mode. Is that even a thing? A maintenance mode?
I mean,
Unless
maybe
you go in.
The only way you're gonna get in maintenance mode is if you have the keys to get into it and you
yeah, of
press a
course.
bunch of different buttons. Like I could see him being like, first you're gonna cut the lock and then you're gonna press these buttons. And that's
That
gonna,
would work.
That I would believe that.
But I mean, there's only one way to find out. Let's go to the Keymaster real quick and let's test out this hack.
All right, so here it is.
Alright guys, here we are at the Keymaster again. Left 2 times, right 2 times, press the button for 2 seconds, and it should work. So we got a pretty big machine here. I guess let's try it out. There's no money in the machine. I'm moving the machine, it's not moving. So here we go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2 seconds. And I guess now I just put the money. It's $1?
Yep, it's $1.
All right, here we go. I got 1 credit in. I'm gonna go for the jalapeno right there.
Wait, you gotta go for the bottom row because he went for the bottom row too.
Oh, the bottom row?
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm gonna go for the bottom right.
Because that's what he went for.
No! You okay? Yeah, obviously that didn't work. I'm maybe just bad. You wanna give it a try?
Yeah. The machine has a payout rate on it, meaning that each row has to make a certain amount of money before it gives out the prize. So that key, if this is the key and this is the hole, the key will always move up a little bit more than it should after you let go of the button, meaning it's physically impossible to win that prize until it makes enough money. So we go 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Done.
Yeah, now you put the money in.
Okay, now we put the money in.
And you guys can see there's no credits in right now, so there's no money in the machine.
Okay, I can almost guarantee this isn't gonna work. We're gonna go for the middle row this time. It doesn't matter what row you go for. I'll explain in a second why. Going for the 20. And no.
Oh, yeah, no, I saw it go up.
So if you notice, when I let go of the button, the key moves up a little bit more than it should because that row needs to make a certain amount of money before it gives out the prize. The only way to get it into maintenance mode is to press the red button in the middle and then press the white button at the top. And that's gonna get you into maintenance.
Oh yeah, the music went off, so.
The music's off, and I can go through and I can press all my settings, see exactly what's up, what's going on. So you know what? Let's try this hack one more time. All right, now we're gonna win. I set the bottom row to where it's guaranteed as long as you have enough skill to get that key through that hole, which is really easy as long as the machine's ready to pay out. You're guaranteed to get it every time.
All right, let's test it out. All right, guys, so this time we literally actually got into maintenance mode, and I'm gonna show you, or he's gonna show you that now he can guarantee the win.
So I don't even need to do the hack, no joystick. I'm just gonna show you that you can literally win every try after the guy changes the settings on the inside. All right, guys, so now we'll be able to win just from the standpoint of we actually got into maintenance mode. There it goes, got it.
Hey, we got it.
There it is. That's the only way you're gonna be able to win is if you actually get into the machine.
Yeah, so hack
Which is illegal.
Yeah. So hack number 3, complete bust.
There we go. Let me get it again.
So that's how you put the prices in.
Yep. Close this.
Meanwhile. Aww, nice little couple.
Oh, that's so cool. I'm jealous. Some guy doing the. Let's see how hard this guy is. Dang,
Oh,
he willed that
did.
thing.
He hit that pretty hard. Let's see what score he gets. 500. Nah, I bet you I can beat that.
Yeah, I can beat that.
Yeah.
But this happens all the time, where people literally will just push the machines back and go behind here. And it's funny because they literally will go behind here and hang out for like 5-10 minutes.
Oh, look at him, look at him. He's going to the back.
He's going.
Look at him. Oh, he pushed the machine back too.
Yeah, but see, the thing is they never push it back all the way. That was good. I'm gonna guess 784.
784? Oh, no way. I was about to say that was gonna be exact. Okay, so you got 771. I'm gonna go for the 800. You know what?
He like punches me in the face, I'm saying. Alright, that was good.
That was
Okay,
good
I'm
one.
guessing 794.
Stack up the blocks as high as you can.
Damn! Alright, hold up.
Let's go.
Hold up. That was good. Nice work.
Alright, but anyways guys, that's pretty much it for the video. I hope everyone did enjoy. So now you guys know, if you see something on TikTok, it's not real. Right? No. If for some reason you guys want to see part 2 where we come back and test maybe like vending machine hacks next time, because those are pretty fun, then let me know down below. Anyways, I'll see you guys in the next video, and peace out.
Just
You want to say bye?
What? You want me to?
Yeah.
All right. Kind of caught me off guard. Give me a good side.
No, I think this is your good side over here.
All right. All right. See you guys later.
What if I just jump through?
Oh my god. Are you okay?
I got scared.
My whole leg just went through.
Are you okay? Looks like you nailed your leg. You saved the camera.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You should have saved yourself.
Like,
Nothing.
What? She literally like the camera, like she literally was like, what gee? Like that camera was safe. Like it was, dude, there should have been a baseball player come out of there. Safe!
Oh, now my whole feet are wet. You okay?
good,
Are you
yeah.
sure? I heard a big hit.
Yeah.